You with the Boston Police?
Me, no. I do a little bit of everything. I do a lot of YouTubing.
YouTube? Oh,
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
So that's just like real life, not only on TV?
Yeah. What's up, man?
Nah, hold on. Nah, for real, guys. I seen, damn, what's that fucking, was it a movie or a show?
Like, I know.
Nah, but I know what you're talking about. Like, when I get there before, like, sometimes I get there before they do.
Yeah, yeah.
I forgot what the fuck movie I was watching with that shit on. I was watching some movie and they was on that shit. Yeah. Message shit.
Really?
Yeah, they caught your boyfriend and shit.
Yeah, I heard it bits and...
The mother, the person hit is on the corner right there.
Oh.
That's who you're yelling at.
Oh, the victim or the alleged victim.
The victim's over there.
Yeah, that's crazy though. Man.
So you got your shit also like
I try to. I'm not quite there.
No, I'm saying, but you got like the scanners.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy, but you work by yourself?
Right now I am by myself. There's other people out there doing the same thing though.
But yeah, if you ever need somebody with you, bro, I actually only see it on TV. I didn't believe like there's somebody in the office
right.
Like, somebody I seen there like other places. Oh, they got boxes and shit. They must got.
Yeah, they've covered a firearm over there. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know the whole story, but I heard it was like a little domestic dispute.
Yeah, we were sitting over there across the street over there in the brick buildings, and we heard her yelling and shit. But my homegirl said that she knows the voice and shit, but she didn't know what's going on.
Oh, okay.
But then we all said we just seen mad police pulling up, and then all of a sudden they pulled up on this street and they caught them over there in the
wow.
bushes.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Keep it up, bro.
All right, man. Be safe out there.
All right, you too, bro.
All right. So, allegedly, well, Boston, no, it's not even alleged. Boston police got a call of a man having a gun to a woman's head. There was an unmarked unit that was close in the area. They witnessed the suspect taking off on foot. Brief chase took place. Suspect apprehended, one weapon recovered. The victim is uncooperative, so she's down on the other end over there. I guess that's the incident where it happened at the corner over there. And the foot chase took down here, and they caught the suspect along with the firearm. Suspect is in custody at B2. Detectives canvassed this area, and they came up with the weapon in the alley. Like I said,
how you doing, man?
hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. Like I said, this. At the same time, Boston had to respond. They had to respond to another call somewhere else. So.
113, 17 Farrell Street, number 1.
Let's see what we got
had
here.
a trooper that was struck in Lynn earlier this evening. We're checking to see if that suspect is on scene there. I was driving 2014 Jeep Cherokee black color. Route 454, nothing showing on Walnut. Is there anything further?
So once again, this I believe it's a 9mm that they recovered. Yeah, like I said, the call came in as a male with a gun to a female's head walking down the street. Some unmarked units were in the area. They saw the two Gave brief foot chase. Suspect apprehended.
454, he was
Gun
saying
recovered.
He thought it was fireworks and somebody else that was with him, or he thought it was gunshots. Somebody else with him thought it was fireworks, but he has nothing further on that.
And over this, where they recovered
Right now.
that's where they recovered the firearm. It's on the other side of that truck. This is one of many events going on in the city of Boston. The victim is kind of distraught because her boyfriend got arrested, but you know, it's for her safety as well. What if that gun would have went off by accident? I guess this address is Dudley Terrace. I think it's like 6 Dudley Terrace, somewhere around that. So allegedly the incident took place at this corner over here, at this intersection right here. Hopefully this is the last activity we have for the shift, but there may be other stuff that take place, who knows.
About 454, nothing showing for now, so you can just give that an 8-1. Okay, thanks.
So, man.
Tell me one honest question.
Uh-huh.
Would you get more money if you catch me driving off in one of the police cars?
I don't get paid for it.
Oh, damn, man.
No, I don't get paid for this.
You
But
like it or something?
yeah, I just do it for like a hobby.
Yeah.
But I don't just do this. I do a whole lot of other stuff too. Like anything of interest in the city, I put on there too.
Okay.
It could be. Usually, I come across, unfortunately, a lot of this kind of stuff.
Okay.
But if it's like a good event, I put that up there. You know, it all depends on what it is.
Sure.
Yeah. Actually, that has happened before.
Shots fired 9 rounds.
No, what you there?
No, I wasn't there. No,
Oh, okay.
it has happened a couple of times. It's not worth the headache though.
Yeah.
Just trust me, it's not. It's crazy.
All right, so we have 2863 to 2893 watch.
All right, man.
Watch out for this person behind you. Just
Okay.
Second clear.
All right, cool. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Yeah, they got more rounds being shot in the area. So it's just all every night Boston Police has to respond to shots fired.
Looks like it may be more towards the back of that complex there.
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing, man?
All right. All right. So they recovered a firearm over here.
433, are you able to preempt to assist on that shot score? Enter, sir. Okay, sir, 2863 watch. Charlie Riley, send that down. Tango 1, send it down. Get off. Tango for 533.
So they got another call for 2866 Washington Street for shots fired over there as well. So let's see how that is.
Negative, just the one shot fire.
If anything comes up over there, I'll give you guys a report back and see what's going on. It's like the third call they had within an hour, so let's see what that one comes up as. So next time, guys, there's Porter. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Alright, send me to the person shot to the chest, 2875 Washington.
Person shot to the chest.